Hi, my name is Anna from Little Wings Sleep. Today we're going to talk about how to calm a newborn. Newborns often need a lot of calming. You see, when they are in this stage, we're going to have a lot of active sleep, which means that they're going to move and writhe around a lot in their sleep, and we're going to need to calm them, sometimes even between sleep cycles. During the day, we're also going to need to calm them a lot because they become overtired very, very quickly. This little babe is 12 weeks old, and so we're looking at about an hour and a quarter of awake time. When baby's overtired, what you're going to find is that they become extremely fussy, and they will love things that they hate. Often their back will arch out, their body becomes stiff. They will headbutt you, and it will become hard to regulate them. In this scenario, our main concern is actually regulating them. It's not about teaching them anything or changing anything. By calming your overtired baby, what it means is that we're able to regulate their body through your body. But it's important that we do it ourselves. I need to be regulating her as her caregiver in that moment so that she's able to have her body calm down. You see, when a baby's overtired, they get that cortisol pumping through their body, and that's our fight, flight, or freeze hormone. Their body becomes stiff. They're going to find it hard to actually initiate sleep, so you're going to need them to do this. When your newborn is already overtired, this is not the time to go into the crib. Simply calm them down by regulating them, and then have a carrier nap or have them in the car or the stroller or in the swing. Our goal here is to prevent overtiredness so that then the next nap they're able to really have a good opportunity to go down before they're overtired.